Good evening, I'm Shameka Neely. An update in the case against Michael Griffin, the man accused of killing an IU professor. Griffin's girlfriend dominates testimony today. Stan Jastrzebski reports.
Jessa Greiwe recalled being so drunk on Christmas of 2009 that she drifted in and out of consciousness throughout the evening. She also remembers waking up at various times to see Don Belton engaged in a number of sex acts with her boyfriend, Michael Griffin. However, Greiwe also testified she drank so much she wasn't always aware of what was going on. Prosecutor Darcy Winkle repeatedly asked Greiwe about statements made on the record to law enforcement, which she frequently could not recall. During questioning about her sexuality, defense attorney David Collins objected to what he thought were assertions about Michael Griffin's sexuality, prompting an out-of-court meeting between both sides and Judge Teresa Harper. During that recess, Griffin mouthed the words, "It's okay," to Greiwe and began to cry. Both Greiwe and Griffin's sister Rita testified that Griffin admitted killing Don Belton to each of them. Rita Griffin also said that while her brother and Greiwe appeared drunk on that evening, Belton seemed sober, even though Greiwe said Belton had angled to stay the night at her apartment if he had drunk too much. At the Monroe County Justice Center, Stan Jastrzebski, WTIU News.
House Republicans are considering changes to a bill granting the governor authority to establish toll roads. The bill transfers control over establishing private-public partnership toll roads in Indiana from the state legislature to the governor. After more than 70 amendments, some of which would restore partial power back to the legislature, were filed on the bill, House sponsor Ed Soliday pulled the bill back, saying concerns that the governor could make any highway a toll road are unfounded because it's practically impossible to do. Soliday says they hope to act on the bill on Wednesday. IU is one of 12 colleges and universities to apply to serve as a site for one of the presidential or vice presidential debates in fall of 2012. The commissions on presidential debates will select sites for 3 debates between candidates for president and 1 debate between candidates for vice president. The debate itself would take place in the 3,200-seat IU auditorium. 4 debate sites and 2 backup sites will be announced this fall. And now let's take a look at your weather. Tonight, clear, lows in the upper 30s. Tomorrow, sunny, highs in the mid-60s. Tomorrow night, mostly clear, lows in the mid-40s. Looking forward to your 5-day forecast on Friday. On Thursday, partly cloudy, highs around 70, lows in the lower 50s. On Friday, partly cloudy with an 80% chance of thunderstorms, highs in the mid-60s, lows in the mid-40s. Saturday, cloudy with a 50% chance of rain showers, highs in the lower 50s, lows in the upper 30s.